what we've learned overall during this WMS as clinicians is that several products now are gathering more and more data in the patients, and importantly, on a longer term. So I'll say that for me as a physician, what I take from this WMS is that now we have 24 months follow up for risdiplam. Now we have 4 5 years follow up for nusinersen. Um, Now we have 4 5 years follow up for onasemnogene, and all this data that were like 1 year, 2 years data are now giving longer period data, and it's super important when it comes to discuss with patients the choice of a treatment. There was also now the first communications about to add the treatments together. Is there any kind of added value to add medication? Is it safe? And safety was a major concern during this WMS. There were um, two posters on the safety of gene therapy, which means that this is an emerging questions in the field, especially with the very broad label that was given in Europe and in the US. There were also pooled safety data um, for the risdiplam. So obviously, safety has become an issue. And finally, the what comes out of all the development around is that the earliest is the best. The earlier you treat, the better it is. Whatever, if you think about type 1, type 2, type 3 patients, the earlier is the best. And there were several posters for several treatments going that line. Um, and then naturally, this brings you to newborn screening, into the cost consequences of the cost implication of newborn screening and of treating before the symptoms. So that's for me the main insight of this WMS is the duration during which we have data, and when to treat. And the same question comes again and again, to treat as soon as possible if we want to get the best results and the lower cost.